Hi there, I'm Harris from PM Music Center located in Aurora, Illinois, and today I'm going to talk about how to make a sound on the French horn. The French horn is a member of the brass family, and like all instruments in the brass family, its sound is produced with a technique called buzzing. A buzz is created when you put your lips into a mouthpiece and blow air through them. Let's talk about how to set up what's called your embouchure. The French horn has the smallest mouthpiece and sets up differently than the other brass mouthpieces. First, put your lips in the mouthpiece so that the upper 2/3 is filled with your upper lip, and the bottom third is filled by your bottom lip, like so. Make sure not to press too hard, otherwise your lips won't have room to move freely. Next, imagine your tongue being low in your mouth. If your tongue is placed too high, it will prevent you from having a clear stream of air. Finally, imagine frowning into the mouthpiece, as this will give you firm corners and a flat chin. Now, blow air through your embouchure and here's what it sounds like on a real mouthpiece. Remember your lip placement, tongue position, firm corners, and a flat chin. Once you've practiced a good buzz, put your mouthpiece back on the instrument and it should sound like this.